Ladies and gentlemen, GoHighLevel and Podio both offer amazing features. However, which one is better? Well, I'm going to tell you straight off the bat that GoHighLevel outranks Podio in many different aspects. If you want to get started with GoHighLevel, you can actually use the link in the description down below to get started so that you can create a passive income like absolutely no other. Let's get into the details. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a classic standoff. Now, if you are looking for CRM as well as automation and something that can really transform your business operations all in all, one of these two tools are actually the one for you. Let's find out which one it is. So first of all, what exactly are they? What are their core focus and who is it that they are serving? So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and sales automation platform, and it's specifically tailored for agencies, entrepreneurs, SMBs, and it's focused on lead conversion, funnel building, and streamlining client acquisition with integrated tools. Now, on the other hand, Podio is a flexible work management and CRM platform that's more designed for team collaboration and project workflows. It empowers businesses with customizable apps and also adaptable processes for unique operational needs. Having a look at some of their features. So their strengths include, from GoHighLevel, their integrated CRM with complete customer journey tracking, landing pages, sales, funnel builders, SMS and email marketing. And SMS is something that not a lot of software still offers. Appointment scheduling, white label agency tools, mobile app, and a very powerful pipeline automation for lead nurturing. Podio's strengths include their customizable workflows, their robust project management capabilities, team collaboration features, visual task tracking, as well as reporting, extensive third-party integrations, custom app building for unique processes, and then also their flexible data structures. What's more is their pricing and usability. Now, GoHighLevel does start at a higher price per month, and this is for full feature access with unlimited contacts and funnels. Their higher tier does unlock white label capabilities as an additional feature, as well as sub accounts for agency growth. So if that's something that you are looking for, GoHighLevel is probably the better option. It does have a steeper initial learning curve. It's got a ton of features, and it's got pretty much everything and anything a platform would offer. Also, it does unify the platform and it reduces complexity once you have come around. And it's best suited for anybody that's ready to invest in time and the powerful all-in-one solution. Now, Podio starts at $11.20 per month, and this is for their Plus plan. And they do have higher tiers with more advanced features, more automations, increased storage, and more affordable entry points for smaller teams. But the thing is, with Podio, if you have a look at what they're offering, there's so many different price points. How do you know what it is that you actually want? If you have a look at GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel literally offers you everything for a one-time cost per month, and that is it. And the lovely thing about GoHighLevel additionally is that GoHighLevel allows you to create sub-accounts. And if you are creating sub-accounts, you can actually manage other businesses and you can turn the CRM into a business as a standalone model on its own. Now, Podio's setup requirements require significant upfront customization and configuration. Also, the flexibility does come with responsibility to design your own workflows, and that's ideal for teams that have a clear process and technical comfort, which are not really always for everybody. So, at the end of the day, which one are you actually going to choose? Well, if you want a turnkey marketing automation platform with comprehensive funnel building capabilities, if your primary focus is converting leads efficiently, if you're wanting to run or serve marketing agencies and have a white label solution, then GoHighLevel is definitely the option for you. Also, if you're having a look at Podio, you would need a customizable CRM that functions as both a project management system as well as a workflow hub. If you're looking for team collaboration, transparency, flexible app building, and if your business processes require tailored solutions that extend beyond pure marketing, and if your budget constraints favor lower per user costs with scalable pricing, then maybe Podio is the option for you. However, my opinion, GoHighLevel is a better option. It does cost a little bit more, but you can turn that GoHighLevel account into a money-making machine. This means that you can create sub-accounts, and within those sub-accounts, you can have your subscriptions paid and plus when you are creating your GoHighLevel account and investing time and effort into learning how the software actually works. And now we have a look at a verdict, a final verdict. Now, what is important, the walkaway, is to always match your business needs and your personal needs to the right software. And in this case, GoHighLevel is great for marketing automation. It's combined with a great sales funnel and agency branding capability. This allows you to really brand the entire experience and make it look and feel like your own. Also, it's perfect for growth-focused businesses that are prioritizing lead conversion. Podio, on the other hand, if you're looking for custom workflows that meet team collaboration, it also gives you flexible CRM foundations. That's kind of where Podio is. It's ideal for organizations that require adaptable, process-driven solutions. Some of the things that you do need to consider when jumping in to choosing the right CRM is your budget, technical comfort level, your specific business goals, and if the platform aligns with your workflow styles and growth trajectory. The thing is about GoHighLevel is whatever you create, and this is the beautiful part, whatever you create, you can actually resell. So if you created a system that actually works for your business or can be adapted to any other business or any type of other industry, you can actually sell what you've created. So it boasts a little bit more opportunity than just a CRM. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, GoHighLevel is absolutely out of this world. What I'm going to say again is if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, you can actually use the link in the description down below to get started and create your journey of a passive income. Now, if this video was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.